Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about Pakistan's geography. Means to say, here is the province that we will discuss is Punjab province and its districts, headquarters, area, population and density. All 5 things we will discuss of its about different districts. First district is Attock. Its headquarters is also in Attock. It has the area about 6,858 kilometer squares. Its population according to 1998 is 1,274,934 and its density is 186 people living at kilometer square. Second district is Bahawalnagar. Its headquarters is also in Bahawalnagar. Its area in kilometer square is 8,878. Its population according to 1998 is 2,061,447. Its density is 232 people. Thirdly, we have Bahawalpur district. Its headquarters is also in Bahawalpur. Its area is 24,830 kilometer square. Its population is 2,433,091. Its density is 98 people living at that kilometer square. Fourth, we have Bakkar. Its headquarters is also in Bakkar. Its area is 8,153 kilometer square. Its population is 1,51,456 according to 1998 and its density is 129 people living at kilometer square. Fifth district is Chakwal. Its headquarters is also in Chakwal. Its area is about 6,524 kilometers. Its population is 1,083,725 and its density is 166 people living at that place. Now we have the district Chinnor. Its headquarters is also in Chinnor and its population according to 1998 is 965,124. Seventh district is Dera Ghazi Khan. Its headquarters is also in Dera Ghazi Khan. It has the area about 11,922 kilometer square. Its population is 2,643,118 and the population density is 238 people. Eighth district is Faisalabad. Its headquarters is also in Faisalabad. Its area is 5,856. Its population is 5,429,547 and its density is 927 people. Ninth district is Gujranwala. Its headquarters is also in Gujranwala. It has the area about 3,622 kilometers square. Its population is 3,400,940 and its density is 939 people. Tenthly, we have Gujarat. Its headquarters is also in Gujarat. It has the area about 3,192. Its population is 2,048,008 and its density is 642. Hafizabad. Its headquarters is also in Hafizabad. It has the area about 2,367 kilometer squares. Its population according to 1998 is 832,980 and density is 352 people. 12th, we have Jhang. Its headquarters is also in Jhang and it has the area about 8,809. It has a population 2,834,546 and it has the density 322 people. people. Jhelum. Its headquarters is also in Jhelum. It has the area 3,587 kilometers squares and it has the population 936,957 and its density is 261 people. 14th district is Kasur. Its headquarters is also in Kasur. Its area is about 4,796 kilometers square. Its population is 1,466,000 and density is 595 people living at that time. 5th district is Khanewal. Its headquarters is also in Khanewal. Its area is 4,349 kilometers square. Its population is 2,068,490. Its density is 476 people living kilometers squares. Now we have Kushab. Its headquarters is also in Kushab. It has the area 6,511 kilometers squares. It has a population 1,205,460 and its density is 185 people. 17th, Lahore. Its headquarters is also in Lahore. It has the area 1,772 and its population is 6,318,745 and its density is 3,566 people living kilometers square. 18th we have Laya. Its headquarters is also in Laya. It has the area 6,291. Its population is 1,120,951. It has a density 178 people. 19th we have Lodha. Its headquarters is also in Lodha. It has the area 2,778. It has a population 1,171,800 and density 422 people. 20 we have district Mandi Bahauddin. It has headquarters in Mandi Bahauddin. It has the area 2,673 kilometers squares. Its population is 1,160,552 people and its density is 434 people living kilometers squares. 21st district is Mianwali. Its headquarters is also in Mianwali. It has the area 5,840 kilometers squares. It has the population 1,056,620 and its density is 181 people. 22nd district is Multan. Its headquarters is also in Multan. It has the area 3,720. It has the population 3,116,851 and it has density 838 people. 23rd we have Muzaffargarh. It has headquarters in Muzaffargarh. Its area is 8,249. Its population is 1,265,097 and its density is 541. 25th we have Nankana Sahib. Its headquarters is also in Nankana Sahib. It has the area 2,960 kilometers squares.Its density is 1,410,000. And now we have 26th district Okada. Its headquarters is also in Okada and it has the area 3,004 kilometers squares. It has a population 2,232,992. It has density 510 people. 27th, Pakpatan. It has the headquarters is Pakpatan. It has the area 2,724 kilometers squares. Its population is 1,286,680 and its density is 472 people. 28th, we have Rahim Yar Khan. Its district is also in Rahim Yar Khan and its area is 11,880 kilometers square. Its population is 3,141,053 people and it has density 264 people. 29th, we have Rajanpur. Its headquarters is also in Rajanpur. It has area 12,319 kilometers square. Its population is 1,103,618 people and density is 90 people living in kilometers square. 30th district is Rawalpindi. Its headquarters is also in Rawalpindi. It has the area about 5,286 kilometers squares and the population is 3,363,911 and its density is 636 people. 31st district is Sahiwal. Its headquarters is also in Sahiwal. It has the area about 3,201. It has the population 1,843,194 and density is 576 people. 32nd district is Sargodha. Its headquarters is also in Sargodha. It has the area about 5,854 kilometers square. Its population is 2,665,979 and its density is 455 people. 33rd district is Shekhupura. It has the area about 15,960 kilometers squares. Its population is 2,321,229 and its density is 557. Sialkot. Its district headquarters is also in Sialkot. It has area 3,016. Its population is 1,688,823 and its density is 903 people. 35th, we have Toba Tek Singh. Its headquarters is also in Toba Tek Singh. It has area about 3,252 kilometers square and its population is 1,621,593 and the density, the people living at that place is 499. 36th last district is Bihari. Its headquarters is also in Bihari. It has the area about 4,364. Its population is 2,090,416 and it has a density 479. Today we have discussed about the geography of Punjab, its districts, its headquarter area and population according to 1998 and the density. Okay, thank you so much.